Best friend, today's video is sponsored by Tribe Signs. Do you guys remember a while ago, Tribe Signs gave me this beautiful dining table? I bet you do. Well, they also gave me this beautiful shoe organizer. The shoe organizer can hold up to 30 shoes. Now, the last time you seen this dining table, it was just in the middle of the floor. I didn't have the chairs, and I did not have the piece for Tribe Signs. So now that Tribe Signs has sent me this extra piece, this dining room finally is coming together. Now, let me tell you a little bit about Tribe Signs. This is not my first time collaborating with Tribe Signs. They have an array of home decor furniture pieces that I love. Y'all remember I did my shoe cabinet, a shoe organization like this in my washroom. It was so functional and so convenient I had to ask them for another one to give to my daughter. So I'm saying all of this to say that Tribe Signs have the most beautiful home decor pieces. So what we are going to be doing in today's video, I'm going to bring you all the way back to the beginning where and when I put this table together, and I'm going to show you guys how I styled it. I am also going to be putting together this shoe organizer.
Up in myself, that thing of loving was for everybody else. Lost and lonely, having hurt too many times. Gave up on hoping, thought I'd never get it right. Something that I never knew, a kind of happy I don't ever wanna lose. And when I hear you coming knocking on my door, all I think is, baby, I need more, I need more. it's you. There is no greater meaning. Nobody does the things you do. It's true. How we get lost in each other. Everything blurs when I'm with you. Us two. I wanna stay forever, safe in your arms. I know that, babe, you do me right.
So here we go. These are both the items from Tribe Signs. So as you guys can see, this is the newest piece over here from Tribe Sign. All right, y'all remember the table. So we got the chairs for the table, and this is what it's going to look like over here. So I got this piece right here from Tribe Signs to put her shoes, her work shoes, Mason shoes when they're leaving out and coming in. And this is the table. So what we're about to do right now, and thank you Tribe Signs for sponsoring today's video. So what we are about to do today is decorate the space. So let me put the shoes in and get this space all decorated.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. And you'll be enough if you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. What you wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. That we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough if you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around. God, oh, 'cause darling, there was nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone, I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better. I'm better off. When I look at what I've done now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off. And baby, you don't belong. Your love was cold, heart made of stone. I'm just fine, I'm gonna shine, I'm alright. I'm celebrating my liberation. I'm moving strong, I'll get it done. I'm alright. Bye, 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 da, do, baby. Bye, da, oh, you, baby, now. Might be shaken but not stirred, just a lesson that I've learned. And so it goes, tables turn, and you're on your own. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better. I'm better off. When I look at what I've done now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off. Baby, you don't belong. I know I'm so much better off. Now, baby, you don't belong.
Okay, y'all, that is it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you are interested in anything that I featured in today's video from Tribe Signs, I will have it all down below in the description box.